morning and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices eased after data showing an increase in US diesel stockpiles stoked worries about demand, and the US Federal Reserve cut interest rates as expected. The Fed cut interest rates by 0.25 percentage point and indicated it will steadily lower borrowing costs for the rest of this year, as policymakers responded to concerns about weakness in the job market in a move that won support from most of Trump's central bank appointees. Metaplanet, the Japanese hospitality and real estate group turned Bitcoin treasury company, is ramping up its crypto strategy with the launch of 2 new subsidiaries, one in the US and one in Japan. Goal is to grow Bitcoin income and expand domestic crypto media operations.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.